Hello there, welcome to Genessis Models. My name is Bob Waldron and welcome to this vlog for April. Just a nice quick check on what we've been building, what's been going on scale modeling wise. Well, the first thing is we are actually working on our step-by-step stroke rapid video build just here, the Super Hornet by Ming Models 148 scale. I am almost at the stage of going off and spraying this up, so we're almost getting there. The build so far, it has been really good. I mean, I do have just here, right here is one that I did, sorry, an F-18. This one was by Hasegawa. I have noticed that the fit is, you know, quite actually a lot better. Surface detail admittedly is quite similar. I don't know how well you're going to be able to tell that, but the surface detail does appear to be quite similar. Both are very good, but the fit is probably where we kind of notice where things are going on. Still has issues in the same place as the Hasegawa. The Hasegawa, right, we have that kind of same bit of a gap issue going on there. Bit of a better fit than a Hasegawa, so maybe not so much filling, sanding, scribing, and also the same where we seem to have, I'm trying not to break my other model here, same kind of, let's get this out of the way, sorry I'm banging it. Right, same kind of issue going on at the back here, same shape, same where all the glue lines and stuff, but it just seems to fit a lot better, which just makes the whole filling, sanding, scribing that little bit more easier. I do admit, like, there is quite a few advantages in the sense that, you know, we can have like the whole folded wings, ailerons, slats, flaps. Everything seems to be able to put in lots and lots of different positions, so definitely seems to be like a better all-round build than the Hasegawa. So yes, we're going to be entering into the spray stage with this. Just put this to one side a second. I have done a quick rapid video build on the pilot that goes inside of our F-18 just here. This was just a quick sort of rapid video build, doing some nice basic and kind of going intermediate, a little bit advanced on actual painting of figures. I kind of showed the trousers area, sort of doing like dry brushing to get the highlights, and using washes and stuff to kind of get this fabric kind of shadows and highlights and stuff. And then for his arms and his top part of his body, I did go off and kind of show you how to do highlights using a paintbrush, which is rather more tricky. It's a bit more of a skill, which is probably why I do recommend and normally kind of use the whole dry brushing technique. So a nice video there, rapid video build of how to paint up some pilots. Moving along as well, we're going into the spray stage now. We did have this sent to us. This is the Iwata, what is it, the Highline HPBH. Really good quality airbrush this one is. We were sent to it by Airbrush.com, so thank you for you guys for sending it to us. I did do a product review on this if you want to go check out that video, and we're also going to go off and use this. I have been using this fully with our F-18 just here, so you'll get to see this in full action throughout the step-by-step, throughout the rapid video build of building the F-18 Super Hornet. So you get to see all that, and I do want to do some nice fine fancy spraying as well in the spray stage, so really going to put this to its paces. We've also got a couple of inbox reviews that we've shown, which I do also recommend you go check out. Bit of an old one by Tamiya there, was it the IL-2, nice World War II aircraft there, as well as, again, Ming Models. Yes, yeah, it is Ming Models 148 scale, their F-35A Lightning. Again, it's a kit I would love to do, but all that masking up to do that kind of pattern on there really does put me off. But I think I'm going to have to just tackle it one day, because I've just got to have myself an F-35 at some point. So that is it, basically what's happened. But what we've got coming, I am thinking somewhere along the lines, I have been working on some anti-slip paste, right? That'll be a nice product review to kind of show you guys. Just here, as you can see, a bit of a GBU, bit of anti-slip paste, really good for lots and lots of things, dioramas, tanks, aircraft, all sorts of cool stuff. So nice product review there coming along, probably a bunch of inbox reviews as well. I do hope to get this FA-18 finished some point in a month or something, and then I do have my heart set on a BF 110 coming up next as our next step by step. So do stay tuned for all of that, and go check out everything that has been released. But as always, until next time, my name's Bobby Warden, this is Genessis Models, and I hope you've enjoyed.